Can you imagine a life where you can transform your dream to become a reality? Kung yan ang gusto mo, you got to listen to this podcast episode.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Chinky Tan, your pambansang wealth coach. In this episode, we are going to talk about the importance of having a vision in life. Okay, ang tanong, do you have a vision in life? Why does vision matter? Vision really matter because number one, it ensures that you consistently work towards your personal goal. Lahat naman tayo, meron tayong gusto sa buhay. Di ba? Gusto natin siguro mas magandang buhay, magandang bahay, magandang pagkakataon and opportunities, no? To be also able to help other people. However, kung hindi clear po kung anong gusto natin, it's so hard to look for what we're looking for. And aside from that, ang advantage once you have a clear vision, it helps you to stay focused on the long terms. Lahat ng mga distractions sa buhay mo, matatanggal mo. Parang sa supermarket lang yan eh. Kung alam mo kung ano yung bibilin mo, di ba? Especially kami mga kalalakihan. Yan ang unang pupuntahan po naman namin. And then, best thing about vision, it also helps you to be an open learner and you're adaptable to the situation kung alam mo talaga kung anong gusto mo. However, kung may good side po ang vision, meron din siyang negative side. Kung hindi natin alam kung anong gusto natin. Number one, you become stagnant. Sa totoo lang, wala kang masyadong progress na nangyari sa buhay. So, marami kang tinatawag na unmet potential, unfulfilled dreams, no, in life. So, in the process, pagka hindi po clear kung anong gusto po natin sa buhay, alam nyo anong nangyari ang next? Yung self-esteem po natin and confidence po natin na ay naaapektuhan. Without vision, you are bound to fail to see the bigger picture. Ang parating nakikita mo na lang yung nangyayari ngayon. Ang kailangan pong makita natin, hindi lang kung ano nangyayari ngayon, ang dapat natin makita kung ano yung potential na pwedeng mangyari sa atin sa kinabukasan. Well, chances are, kasi especially if you're going through tough times and trials right now, kapatid, there's a big tendency for you to stay focused with the present. But what's more important, one thing that I've learned from our present situation, though it may not be favorable at times, ang importante talaga is for us to be able to see the future. There's potential in the future. Why? Listen to this. Because when there's hope in the future, there's power in the present. When there's no hope in the future, there's no power in the present. Kaya nga napakahalaga po talaga na kailangan po natin ng masyadong maliwanag na vision. I would like to share to you my personal vision in life. My personal vision in life is to become a millionaire before I reach the age of 35. Kung may vision ka sa buhay, the next question that you need to ask yourself is the question called why. Bakit mo gusto magkaroon ng ganong klaseng vision? I will still remember when I was age 12, my father business collapsed and those 3 years during the time when he was so depressed. And those were the hardest moments in our lives. Napakahirap po talaga pag wala kang pera. Ibang tingin sa'yo ng tao pag wala kang pera. Ibang treatment sa'yo ng mga kamag-anak mo pag wala kang pera. I hope you can agree and relate. So because of those, yung parang past nangyari po sa amin, and nagkaroon ako ng vision. And I told myself, I want to become a millionaire before I reach the age of 35. So the vision was so clear. It was so clear. Kaya nga ang importante talaga, if you really want to have a vision, allow me to share with you the 3 frameworks of having a clear vision. Number 1, it starts with the word called imagination. It reminded me of the song kay Beatles, kay John Lennon. Imagine there's no people. So, the power of imagination is very important. Once you have imagination, talagang I believe you can visualize your future success. So, just like si Walt Disney, Walt Disney's vision and imagination that he wants to build the biggest recreation center for the kids, and that was Disneyland. Unfortunately, before I think it was finally completed, he passed away. His wife continued to build Disneyland until such time it was finally inaugurated. When it was inaugurated, people were really so amazed at the beauty of Disneyland. One of her best friends made a comment and said, Disneyland is such a great place, the happiest place on earth. Unfortunately, your husband did not live to see any of these. His wife just put her smile on her face and said, you were wrong. Before anything of this was built and completed, my husband already saw it through his what? Vision. So that's the power of vision, the imagination. And likewise, my vision, going back to my personal vision, I want to become a millionaire before I reach the age of 35. So after the imagination comes, the next thing that should come is planning. Kaya may imagination ka, kailangan may plano ka. You have to create a detailed plan on how you can really execute to achieve your vision. Again, if you talk about that, alala ko talaga yung I wrote a plan, my plan, is to get into sales. Why? Because during that time, nobody wants to hire me because I was only 12 years old, and the only way that I can do is through selling. The first venture that I got into is selling toilet papers. When I was selling toilet papers, sinabi ko, plinano ko na kung magkano kailangan kong ibenta, kung ilan ang ibebenta ko in order for me to make this profit. Talagang planado siya. So, sobra akong excited talaga. And yun nga, I can still recall, I think I made my first 100 pesos on my first week of selling. 100 pesos, hindi ko makalimutan yun. Kumita na ako agad. And during that time, 100 pesos was a lot of money. I think that was in the early 80s or late 70s. So malaking pera na yun po para sa akin. It also reminded me of a great person who really planned really well. He took significant risks by founding a company, and he pursued groundbreaking innovation, and then pumasok din siya sa tinatawag nating renewable energy and space exploration. Plinano niya talaga until such time na form niya yung company ng Tesla and SpaceX, and that's no other than Elon Musk. He's also one of my idol. I really look up to him. Sinasabi ko, this is a man of vision. So right now, again, let's go back. Imagination, that's number 1. Number 2, planning. And the third most important thing to make your vision to become a reality is execution. Kahit na napakaganda imagination mo, yung pangarap mo, kahit na maganda ang plano mo, pero pag wala kang ginawa, walang mangyayari. Agree? And that is what I did. I sold toilet paper, I sold pants, I sold shoes, I sold shirts. And while I'm executing all of these things, this is again, yung tinatawag na expectation versus reality. Ang expectation mo, kikita ka. Tama o mali. Pero ang reality, hindi lahat bumibili. Ang expectation mo, lahat talaga susuportahan ka, pero in reality, hindi lahat bibili. So, I don't know if you experience this also when you go into sales. Yung mga taong ina-expect mo na tutulong sa'yo, sila pang hindi tumutulong. Yung mga taong hindi mo ina-expect na tutulong sa'yo, sila pa ang tutulong. Agree or disagree? Likewise, always remember, guys, ito yung once you execute things, you are bound to fail. Why? People will not believe in you, people will say no to you, people will reject you. Ganun talaga po yan. And then, ito po yung pinakamasakit. The reality is this, do you have a big vision in life? If you have a big vision in life, give me a nod. The reality is this, the bigger the vision, the bigger the opposition, the bigger the dreams, the bigger the challenges. So I want you to prepare yourself. Prepare yourself for greatness. Prepare yourself that you should prepare yourself not for success, but you rather prepare yourself for failure. And once you fail in what you're doing right now, you don't get discouraged because failure is not a person, but failure is just a one-day event. Probably, you had no sales today, mahina ang benta mo ngayon, okay lang yan. Bakit? Kasi bukas may bagong chance ka na naman. Kailangan lang talagang you should learn how to innovate. So, right now, as I come and conclude this session of ours, alam mo, ano yung pinaka key takeaway natin dito? Let me encourage you. When you build a visionary mindset, ang kailangan po talaga dito, number 1, is consistency. Okay? Consistency. And then number 2, focus on the positive, not on the negative. Number 3, kailangan forward thinking ka parate. Forward thinking. So if you implement this, itong short session of ours, if you start imagining again kung anong gusto mo, once you imagine, you plan, and once you plan, you execute. Alam niyo mga kapatid, ito yung reality. Kung wala kang vision sa buhay, mahirap magtagumpay. Kung wala kang vision sa buhay, mahirap talaga lumaban. Pag wala kang vision sa buhay, talagang wala kang kapangyarihan talaga. Kaya I just want to challenge you, if you were going to give me right now a few more seconds before we end, kapatid, what is your vision in life? Why do you do what you're doing right now? Para kanino ka bang gumigising? Para kanino ka bang bumabangon? And I hope yung vision mo ay malalim. It should be really deep. Your deep why you're doing what you're doing in order for you to make your vision to become a reality. So if you like this episode, if you do like this episode, I encourage you to like, share, and this episode with your friends, especially for people na nawawalan po ng pag-asa. Huwag po kayo mawalan ng pag-asa dahil bukas may bago tayong pag-asa. Tatandaan, as I always say in my program, To Every Problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive. Bye.